Today we're going to be solving the area and perimeter of an acute triangle. Remember that an acute triangle means that it has an angle that is going to be less than 90 degrees. So as you can see, these angles are less than 90 degrees. So we're going to first start by solving the area of this triangle. Remember that the formula for the area of a triangle is base times height divided by 2. And the reason why we have to divide it by 2, because really a triangle is half of a rectangle or a square, or it can also be half of a rhombus or a parallelogram. This is going to be half of a parallelogram, so it's important that remember we need to divide it by 2. So to find the area, the first thing we're going to do is think of this as the base. The base is always considered the bottom. So the base of this triangle is 12. Then we have the height. So it's really important that we think about the height as this drop down point. Heights are always straight up and down, not slanted like these two lines, straight up and down. So that's 6. So we're going to do 12 times 6, and then we're going to divide that by 2. And 12 times 6 divided by 2 is 36. So I now know that the area of this shape, or this acute triangle, is 36, needs a label, inches. Area is always squared. So I know the area is 36 square inches. Now we're going to solve for the perimeter. So the perimeter is really the distance around the triangle. So we're going to add all the distance around. So we're going to be adding 7 plus 8 plus 12 to find the perimeter. 7 plus 8 plus 12. Do not add the 6. The 6 only has to do with the area, because 6 is the height, and the height is not what we want for the perimeter. The perimeter, we just want to add the side plus the side plus the side. Okay? So when I add 7 plus 8 plus 12, you get 27. It still needs a label, and we're measuring in inches. Perimeter is not squared. It's just adding the distance around. So our perimeter is 27 inches.